Good afternoon, Glen Lake Community Schools. It is Mr. Mead, your Director of Administrative and Instructional Technology. I am here in the Glen Lake Community Schools Secondary Media Center, and it has been a very relaxing weekend. I hope that you had a happy Thanksgiving, but I have some good news for you. We have got new Lenovo Chromebooks for our secondary kids. That's right. If you were at the board meeting a couple weeks back, you may remember that the Glen Lake Community Schools School Board did approve the purchase of new Chromebooks for our secondary students. So we will be taking those HP streams back, and we will be finding a new home for those. And we'll be replacing those with the Lenovo Chromebooks, which have worked so well for our middle school kids. We had 245 of them. They were supposed to get here last Monday. They didn't arrive until the end of the school day, Tuesday. So we had some high school kids working late with me who helped unbox, and we got a little over half of them finished. And now I'm surrounded by empty boxes, and I've got the rest of them. I just tagged the last Chromebook, and I had a very special helper. Do you want to come out? I'd like to introduce you to the newest member of our technology team. This is my son, Wesley. Say hi. And he has been a huge, huge help. And what was your job? What did you do? Did you throw the boxes in you threw them? Can you show me where you threw them? Where'd they go? Right over there. Yep. So Wesley was a big help, and we will have these ready if your son or daughter is in high school or is a 4th through 6th grade student. Have them bring their HP stream with the charger. That's the big thing. You have to bring the charger back in if you want to check your old Chrome or your old stream in and get a new computer. Bring all that in. We'll check it in, and then we'll check you out a brand new Lenovo Chromebook. So we're very excited about this. Just a minute. I'm on the air. And we'll look forward to seeing you in about 24 hours once school starts again tomorrow. So have a great rest of your weekend, and we will see you soon.